When Mother Nature loses her cool, things get more lively than ever. From giant tsunamis like the ocean's way of tidying up the coastline, to super strong storms competing to see which one can blow away the most rooftops. Hail falls like nature's playing an extreme version of dodgeball. And those towering waves? It's like the ocean is training for the surfing Olympics. When Mother Nature gets angry, all we can do is stand back and wonder, wait, was this in the contract? Let's enjoy these hilarious yet awe-inspiring moments when Mother Nature throws a fit. Welcome to Mother Nature's thrilling show. First, we'll start with the tsunamis, as if the ocean has decided to have a who's faster race. Look, the huge waves are rushing towards the shore like they're playing hide and seek with the land. But don't worry, we've got more shows to come. Next, enjoy the performance of hailstones, nature's version of balloon shooting. The ice cubes fall as if the sky has just held a stone throwing party. No one was invited but everyone got gifts. And here it was, pouring rain. It was as if the heavens had decided to wash it all away in one go. But he must have forgotten the water shut-off button. Then there are the storms, with winds so strong you might think you're in a giant dryer. Who knew nature also likes to test how many trees can bend? But hold on tight, because we have tornadoes too. Tornadoes are like a crazy spinning dance of nature, sweeping everything in their path. At that moment, you must be wondering, am I in an action movie? When a big storm hits, your belongings start a marathon of their own. Chairs, tables, and even plants get their kicks. Cars get ready to do their sexy dance in the rain, and don't be surprised if your neighbor's trash can visit your yard. The ship was swaying through the giant waves, like a small leaf being swept away by the raging sea, swaying in the stormy rain and wind as if it was riding a roller coaster in the middle of the ocean. The streets turned into swimming pools and the first testers were the cars. On the streets, people were racing to escape the approaching tsunami, as if they were participating in an unexpected marathon. Meanwhile, people bathing on the beach were also running in panic, not expecting that their relaxing day would end in a race for survival. The fire spread as if the whole forest had just received an invitation to a fiery party. The trees and bushes didn't have time to say goodbye. The tsunami came like a giant monster from the deep sea, swallowing everything in its path without warning. Its terrifying power shook the whole earth, turning busy streets into oceans in the blink of an eye. The towering waves swept the blue sky, crashing into the mainland like a sea painting suddenly being redrawn. In that moment, the stillness of the sea seemed to disappear, giving way to the fierce flow of nature. We should design wedding swimwear for couples like this. So, when Mother Nature gets angry, we see that she's not just angry, she's also incredibly creative in making trouble. These images not only show the immense power of the planet, but also prove that nature can throw a messy party without even sending out invitations. It's true that storms and big waves aren't always friendly, but we can learn to be good friends with Mother Nature if we're prepared and respectful. So be careful out there and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to continue watching nature's epic performances.